We are inside Ultra Smooth Skin in Chandler, and we are going to learn the secrets behind their PRP facial. This is Laura Hoffman, and you're about to do a live PRP facial. What is a PRP facial?
A PRP facial combines two different treatments. It combines microneedling, which is also known as collagen induction therapy, and platelet-rich plasma. That is going to help stimulate collagen.
And this is the beautiful model, Yasna. She has already been numbed. She has her blood drawn. And PRP means what?
So PRP means platelet-rich plasma, which is if you draw a tube of blood, you spin it down in a centrifuge, and it will pull out the red blood cells, which leaves you with platelet-rich plasma.
So what were some of the areas that she had some concerns with that she wanted to fix?
So she is wanting to treat some pigmentation that she has across her cheeks, some redness and pigmentation. She wants to help target collagen. So after this treatment, you will build collagen for 4 to 6 months. She wants to get a nice overall glow to her skin and shrink pores.
Okay, so hold up that. I heard this is called liquid gold.
This is called liquid gold. So
this
is what we get after we draw the blood and pull out all the red blood cells. So this is the platelet-rich plasma. It should be just a clear golden color. There are different companies that make products for PRP. We use Eclipse. They're one of the highest quality, and you can see that it's pulled out all the red blood cells.
So this is her natural body working basically in defense of itself.
Yes. Yeah, this is her creating more collagen for herself.
So what are the other areas? I know you're going to do the whole face today. I know she was concerned about the redness in her cheeks. Where else could we use it?
So PRP actually can be used face, neck, chest. We use it sometimes on the stomach for stretch marks. It helps a lot with acne scarring, stretch marks. It helps with shrinking pores, and it gives your skin a beautiful glow about 3 to 4 weeks after your treatment.
All right, so you have a machine. That's the microneedling.
This is the microneedling machine. This is able to be adjusted from 0 to 2.5 millimeters. So we can use different depths across different parts of the face because the forehead, the skin is thinner than the cheeks. So we want to be able to vary that treatment and also customize it for each person.
All right, so we're going to let you keep going. And Yasna, why did you want to get the PRP facial?
I just wanted to fix my pigmentation and also feel younger and look younger and to have that awesome glow that everyone else has that has done this.
Do you wear a lot of makeup in the summer?
I like to avoid it because it's a lot of work, especially you're going to be sweating, so hopefully this is going to allow me not to wear makeup.
And you've never done this treatment before.
No, this is my first time.
What does it feel like?
It's just a little bit of tingly. I mean, because I'm numbed, so it's not too much. Yep, doesn't hurt at all.
All right, so we're going to step over here because I want everybody to see some before and afters. We just heard Laura, a nurse practitioner here at Ultra Smooth, tell you that you're going to see results months after, right, Laura?
Yep, you're going to continue to see improvement in collagen for 4 to 6 months after. This model, her before and after, she had 2 PRP facials, and her after is 2 months after her second treatment.
So 2 months later, so this is 2 months after the treatment, you're still going to see amazing results. And again, it's about that glow, it's about having that summer dewy look that everybody wants.
For her, she had something called melasma, which is a specific type of pigment, which is very hormone related. A lot of women get that after pregnancy. They call it the mask of pregnancy. And PRP is one of the things that helps that pigment the most. And that pigment can be very, very tricky to target.
So let's talk about quality of care.
Yeah.
What should people be looking and be wary of when they're getting a treatment?
We use the Eclipse product. We use the Eclipse PRP tube, and we use the Eclipse microneedle. So when you come in here, you're going to see that there is, whoops, I just dropped it, a microneedle tip that is individualized for each patient. It comes sealed, it's sterile for that patient, one use only. And then the Eclipse PRP tube, there's a lot of technology that went into that tube. That tube is what's responsible for pulling the red blood cells out and leaving you with a very pure sample. So if someone is using an inferior quality product, your result will not be as good. Or if someone is not using a test tube that's designed for PRP.
I want to hold this up again. And I think it's very important to show you really just want one. This is a single use. So
Yes.
go to a place that has a single
It's
use,
sterile
right?
for you. You're the first one and the last one that's going to use it. So those needle tips are very sharp, which helps with the discomfort. And yes, even places where they do reuse microneedle tips, there's a sterilization process. But that is very dependent on the person that's doing the sterilization.
Right.
So,
And everyone here at Ultra Smooth Skin, you guys are either nurses
Yes.
or nurse practitioners. Talk about your experience.
so I'm a nurse practitioner. That means that you have a 4-year undergraduate for an RN, and then about 2.5 more years of graduate school. Everyone here that does the PRP is either an RN or a nurse practitioner. So you know that you are getting a qualified person to do your treatment. We pay attention to quality of care, keeping things clean, sterile for each person, and that does affect your treatment.
And it's interesting because you guys offer a full range of med spa services here, not just the
Not
PRP
just
facial.
this.
You offer a number of services.
We offer Botox and Dysport. We offer fillers. We do laser hair removal, Fraxel, Clear and Brilliant, a full range. And so even on Yasna, about a week ago, we touched up her filler. It's taking someone who's very beautiful and just accentuating some of the beauty.
She's
We
gorgeous.
filled in some of the nasolabial fold here and put a little bit in her lips. We've done her cheeks in the past. So she is someone who, is maintaining her natural beauty.
Let's talk about recovery and downtime with the
So
with the
recovery,
PRP.
today, you are not going to wash your face today. We don't want to wash the PRP out of those channels. So today, you're going to have some downtime. I mean, as you can see, you're not super red, but when you leave, people are going to be able to tell you've had something done. By tomorrow, it should just be slightly pink. You'll just use mild cleansers, mild moisturizers, and you're going to need to stay out of the sun. So for about 2 days, people could probably tell you had something done.
Okay, so about 2 days. And then how many treatments?
So usually people are going to need about a series of 3 treatments. That varies from person to person. Some people are going to have, deeper acne scarring where they have more that we need to target. So they might need more than 3. And some people like Yasna really have great skin going into it. So she's going to be more prevention and maintenance, and we might just do 1 or 2 of those on her each year to help maintain the collagen she already has.
Right, so she's going to be down for just about a couple of days,
Yeah,
and then
just
she's
about
going to
2
be able
days.
to go back in the sun and do all those things. And talk about the Skin Medica products that you sell here.
So Skin Medica is a company that is owned by Allergan. They're the makers of Botox and Juvederm. They have a skincare line as well, which has a lot of science behind it. There's a lot of research and evidence-based studies to show that their products really work. So that is the TNS Essential Serum. That's the kind of flagship for their line for the anti-aging. But they have everything from cleansers to moisturizers, eye cream, and then some anti-aging products.
Right, so you guys do it all here. I mean, we have just a full line of all sorts of products that you guys, from Restylane to Kybella, Latisse, Voluma, these are the names that we talk about. You do it all, and the before and after picture is pretty impressive. So how long does the treatment take to do the whole thing?
The whole thing takes about an hour, about half an hour to be numbed before your treatment, and another 30 minutes to actually perform the treatment. You draw your blood and get everything ready while you're numbing. So we try to be as efficient as possible.
That's perfect. How's it feeling?
Feels awesome.
It feels good.
Yeah, it
You're
doesn't
turning
hurt.
back the hands of time here.
Yes, I sure am.
And it should just feel, like a tingle or like a mild scrape across the skin when you're numb.
Just a little tingle.
And it's interesting because when people come to see you, Laura, they don't always know what treatment they want. What do you
And that's
all do
true.
in that consultation?
So during that consultation, we look at your specific skin type, what your specific issues are for anti-aging, and we make a plan from there. So we have a lot of people who just schedule a consultation, and even for filler, they may know they want filler, but they don't know which brand or which thickness, which type of filler they want. If they're a candidate for Botox, if they're a candidate for lasers. So we are happy to do a consultation and tell you